Hi, hi, yeah, okay, it's working. Hi, dude. Alright, I'm gonna teach you how to, reset, like, it won't reset or delete anything off your iPod Touch 5, or any kind of iPod Touch. Well, first let me do it. Alright, I'm gonna shut my iPod down. And don't do this if there's really no point, okay? Alright, shut down, okay. So you see, it's always shut down, okay. If your iPod Touch is not turning on, push the top button, right there, and this button right here. You hold it in until you see that. Alright, mine popped up iTunes, which that's the problem with it. It won't delete anything. iTunes, and then let it sit for about 3 minutes, and then it'll pop up an apple on the screen and it'll start up fresh. But if it's not, and you just need to know how to turn it on, just do that, you know. But what it'll do is pop up iTunes if you're having a problem with it, and you hold both of those in for about a minute. Then let it sit, and then it'll do this. And then your iPod will be good. Bye.